Loaded with an obscene amount of upgrades is this absolutely stunning low-mile example of Yamaha's WR450F that has covered less than 200 miles and benefits from the following upgrades. SM Pro Platinum wheels with Dunlop tyres, oversized front disc with caliper adapter, full Doma performance exhaust, Oakley Yamaha graphics kit, adjustable levers, lots of apico performance anodised extras, acerbis grip seat and skateboard wheel protection. Included is the original enduro wheels, tyres, chain and sprockets to use the bike off-road, as are the standard removed parts. Owned by a very well-known customer of ours, it's been used once off-road in his ownership. Enough to learn it wasn't his sport at all, and so began the transformation into what we have here. He really never rode it since. The bike has received oil and filter changes by the previous owner and will undergo our pre-delivery inspection prior to sale. Service owner's manual is present. All tyres have plenty of tread remaining and are worn evenly. All our bikes are delivered with a minimum 6 months MOT. As always, for the best viewing experience, please visit our showroom to view the condition of the bike and our own website, uniquewheels.com, to enjoy over 40 high-quality images and video that form a huge part of the description. Open Monday to Friday and Saturday mornings by pre-arranged appointment. Part exchanges are always welcome, values up or down, so please talk to us today about getting the best price possible. HP and PCP finance available. A user-friendly finance calculator can be found on our website, which features remote apply and convenient off-site signing. For more information on this and all our bikes available, please visit our website uniquewheels.com. We hope you like this video and would be really grateful if you could like and subscribe to our channel. This helps our channel become more visible on YouTube. Thank you.